I'm sharing my testimonial of my experience with Choice Home Warranty. I've had a very positive experience each time I've had technicians come to the house, which has been 3 so far. We signed up with Choice Home Warranty when we bought our house. Our seller included a home warranty program in the sale of the house. And when I reached out to get recommendations, Choice Home Warranty was one that came up pretty often. So I did some research and we did one of the higher level programs that Choice Home Warranty offers. So we've been pleased with it. We've had 3 service calls. 2 were covered under the warranty. One was going to be a pretty expensive repair because it involved the control board of our oven. The other item was not covered because it was more of a maintenance issue. And then I have another issue that just finished. So it's been a very positive experience. I would recommend Choice Home Warranty. And I've been pleased with our situation so far.